If you've been saying that you're going to start your YouTube channel for months and you haven't done it, this is your sign to finally do it, because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the step-by-step process on how to create a YouTube channel. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. So I'm going to be inserting a screen recording on the screen on how I created this exact channel so that it will make the process more easier for you to understand, okay? So the first thing you want to do is to create or get a Google account. Now, it can be a new one or it can be an old one, like an account that you already have. But if you want the brand of your YouTube channel to be different from you, I would recommend creating a new Google account. So you can use the name that you intend to use for your YouTube channel to open this Google account, or a modification of the name. So for example, if you want to name your channel YouTube Growth, I'm just using this as an example, okay? And let's say when you want to create your email, YouTube Growth is not available. You can modify YouTube Growth. You can decide to use YouTube Growth Official, or you can decide to impute numbers after the YouTube Growth. So YouTube Growth 1 or YouTube Growth 12, just like that. So I'm just saying that in case the name that you want to use to create your YouTube channel, when you attempt to use that name to create your Google account and is not available, you can modify the name. So after getting your Google account, the next thing you want to do is now create your channel. Now, you cannot create your channel without having a Google account. That is why I mentioned that as the first step, because you're going to use your Google account to create the channel. So in creating your channel, you can either use a desktop or your mobile phone. So I used my mobile phone to open this particular channel. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys step by step on how to do that. Okay, so you're going to open your YouTube app. If you don't have the app already on your phone, you are going to have to download it. Now, after downloading it, you are now going to open it, and then you're going to use that app to open the Google account that you created. So it's sort of like you are linking your YouTube to your Google account. Now, when you open your YouTube app, the first thing that is going to be displayed is your home page. The next thing you will now do is to go to the You page. So this is where all your Google accounts on your YouTube app are going to be. Now, it is likely that your original email or your personal email may already be linked to your YouTube. So when you go to the You page on the YouTube app, this is the account that is going to be displayed. Now, you can add multiple accounts, meaning that you can add the Google account that you've created for your YouTube channel. So now what you're going to do is click on Switch Accounts. When you click on it, you're going to get a pop-up like this. Now, the next thing you're going to do is click on the plus sign. This is going to redirect you to a page where you are now going to log into your new Google account. So you're going to input the email, the password, the whole shebang. And after this, your Google account will now be linked to your YouTube and will now be visible on the You page on the YouTube app. Now, when you've successfully added your Google account to your YouTube, the next thing you want to do is to create your channel. Now, you're going to click on the Create Channel button, which is going to redirect you to the page on which you create your channel. So when the page opens, you're going to see something like this, which is going to include the picture, the name, and the handle. So the first thing there is the picture. So here you are just going to click on it and upload your profile picture. So this is the picture that is going to show on your profile when people search you up on YouTube, or when people search for your channel on YouTube or visit your page on YouTube. After this, the next thing is your name. So you're going to impute the name you want for your channel here. Okay, so sometimes the name you want to impute may not be available, but then again, you will have to modify it. For example, when I wanted to create this channel, I had just ViTube in mind, but when I imputed ViTube, it didn't work. So I had to add the Academy. So that was how I came up with ViTube Academy, okay? So you can do your own modifications. You can add numbers instead of adding another word. It just depends on you. Now, after typing your name, the next thing is your handle. So this is going to be like your unique identification on YouTube, your personal handle. Someone else cannot have your handle. For example, two people can have the same YouTube channel, like when it comes to the names of the YouTube channel, but their YouTube handles will be different. So your handle is unique to you. So that is why if a handle is already present on YouTube, it will not work. So you can put your handle, you can copy the name of your YouTube channel and replicate it as your handle. For example, I used ViTube Academy, so you can include yours. And like I said, if someone else has that handle, you cannot use it. So you will have to modify it. But yeah, otherwise, the process is pretty straightforward. You just upload your profile picture, impute the name you want for your YouTube channel, and impute the handle you want for your YouTube channel. And after that, you click on Create Channel, and voila, your channel has been created. So basically, this is how you create or open a YouTube channel. Like, this is the first and most important step. Every other thing is now building on this. Okay, so after creating your channel, the next thing you want to do is getting a banner. So your banner is going to be on your page, on your YouTube channel. When people click on your channel, like open your home page and all of that. And uploading your banner is different from uploading a profile picture, because you have to create the banner. Okay, and the dimensions of a banner are different from that of a profile picture. For a banner, the dimensions is 2560 by 1440. So it's going to be like rectangular in shape, and there's a way you're going to have to do it so that majority of the things in your banner are going to be visible on the innermost part of the banner, so that everything there will be visible on a mobile phone. And there are extra things you have to add for someone that is accessing your page from a tablet or a desktop and all of that. Yeah, it's a whole different process, a whole different topic. I'm not going to be covering that in today's video. If you want a dedicated video on how to create a YouTube banner, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure to create that for you guys. Okay, so after your banner, the next thing is your description. So here you are just going to impute what your channel is about, or what you want to share on the channel, or basically what you want to say to someone that just visits your YouTube channel for the first time, because your description is going to be directly under the name of your YouTube channel on the home page of your channel. So when people come on your page, apart from your banner, your profile picture, and the name of your YouTube channel, the next thing they are going to see first is the description. So you can talk about what your channel is about. You can give a brief summary of whatever it is you're going to be sharing on your channel. It can be a welcome note, an introduction note. So yeah, basically anything. So after all this, the next step is to upload your first YouTube video. My first YouTube video on this channel went up last week. If you missed that video, please make sure to check it out, because I shared a lot of things on that video. In fact, if you really want to grow your YouTube channel, if you want to monetize your YouTube channel, if you want an accountability partner, if you want a community of people that have the same goals as you when it comes to growing on YouTube and all of that, make sure to watch that video, because it will be very, very valuable to you. Okay, so yeah, that is basically how to create or open a YouTube channel. The other things are more like secondary things, like creating your playlist, working on your channel keywords, working on permissions, advanced settings, and all of that. But yeah, like I said, those are just secondary things, and the step-by-step process I mentioned in this video is basically what you need to create a YouTube channel. And also guys, if you are interested on things like how to grow on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be giving you guys a lot of teas here. In case you didn't know, I have a YouTube channel with over 11,000 subscribers, which I've had for 5 years now. So my experiences from building that channel, the lessons I've learned, mistakes, tips, secrets on how to grow on YouTube and all of that, monetization, my YouTube earnings, my journey, challenges I'm going to be embarking on here on YouTube. Yeah, I'm going to be sharing all of that with you guys as well. And I'm basically starting this channel from scratch, so we can literally be accountability partners. So meaning, if you're just starting your channel, we are going to be growing our channels together. So yeah, if you know you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And trust me guys, more juicy videos are coming up. Okay, so yeah guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.